All right.
Hello.
Hello, this is Mike and Lightning Dragon here. And what?
We're gonna draw a dragon.
All right. You're gonna draw the dragon. You're gonna show me how to draw the dragon, right?
Yeah, and you can copy mine.
I will copy yours. All right. So I got a pencil. So what do we do? Where do we start? There's honey on this placemat.
Oh, cool.
Where do we start? So wait. What are we drawing?
A dragon.
Okay. And why are we drawing a dragon?
Because I like dragons.
Okay. What kind of dragon are we drawing?
I have absolutely no idea.
Okay. All right. So where do we start?
About in the middle.
About in the middle. And what are we going to do? We're going to come out and up. We're going to make a sort of little curve.
Curvy
All right.
thing.
Okay. Is that good?
Yeah.
Any honey all over my hand.
And then make a triangle.
So a horn.
Yeah.
So up and back. Is that good?
Yep. And then do another thing like that.
Okay.
And then go down.
Down.
Kind of curvy.
Kind of curvy.
Go back up.
Go back up.
Curve.
Okay. And back
All
in.
done.
And that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
All right, so let's finish this up. How?
And then you draw the eye.
Okay. All right, so the eye is right there. Is that good?
Yep.
And then just... All right, where's his teeth? Oh, I see. Okay.
And then I...
So that's his mouth right there.
Yeah, and then I like to do zigzags on the horn.
Zigzag horn, okay.
But you don't have to if you don't want to.
Okay. How do you like to color yours in?
Random colors.
Random colors. You chose green. I'm gonna take purple.
But first, I like to trace it with black.
Trace it with black. Okay, here's a black.
Black. No, this is blue. I tested it before.
I just drew on your arm.
Cool.
That's blue too.
Dry or...
Pretty sure this is black.
No, it's blue.
I'm pretty sure it's black. Oh, you're right, it's blue.
This is black.
Okay.
Wait, this might be... Yeah, that's black.
So you're tracing what, the eye with black or everything? Is there another black marker in here somewhere?
Just the eye and the mouth.
I'll use gray.
Oh.
Oh. So I'll trace the mouth with black, eye with black, and then we're starting to color it in.
Yeah, and then you just color it.
Okay.
Should we time lapse through this?
No, let's just color it in. Show me how you color yours in.
After this, I like to cut it out.
So can I make mine a spotted dragon?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I make it purple spots?
Yeah.
All right. So I'm gonna make mine purple spots. You know, I once got a bad grade in first grade or second grade for coloring improperly.
I did one of these for my illustration on a story.
Oh yeah, what was the story about?
A dragon.
How did I know? What dragon was it?
Fire dragon.
What is your favorite story about dragons?
I don't know.
What is a good story about dragons?
Wings of Fire.
Wings of Fire. What is that, a book series?
Yes.
And why is it good?
Because it is really cool and it doesn't have pictures.
Doesn't have pictures, so it's a long book series.
Yeah.
This is the one you've been getting from the library.
Yep.
And it's on the AR tests.
Yeah, it's on the AR test.
How many books are in the series?
I don't know.
How many do you have? You've got like 8 of them, right?
Yeah, I have 8.
I'm gonna make my dragon gray and purple. Except for the horn. The horn's gonna have to be a different color. Whoa, you're making yours super crazy. Can my dragon have red eyes?
Yeah.
Does that make it evil?
Yes. I guess.
So you're saying anything with red eyes is evil?
Yeah.
Okay. Is your dragon evil?
Nope.
What's your favorite movie about dragons?
I don't know that.
What's a good movie about dragons? Lightning Dragon.
Pete's Dragon.
Pete's Dragon is good. Yep, that's true. What's another good movie about dragons?
How to Train Your Dragon.
How to Train Your Dragon. What is a good audiobook about dragons?
How to Train Your Dragon.
Yep, we did listen to that. What's another good audiobook about dragons?
Dragon Rider.
Yep, Dragon Rider. That one was good too. If you had to recommend to your friends one audiobook about dragons, which one would you suggest they listen to? Which is better, How to Train Your Dragon or Dragon Rider? I lost the cap to this pen, this marker.
How to Train Your Dragon.
How to Train Your Dragon is better, you think? I'm gonna make my dragon's horn 2 colors. What's your favorite book about dragons?
My 2 favorite books.
What are they?
Wings of Fire and Dragon Breath.
Dragon Breath, okay. What is one of your favorite dragons?
Danny.
Danny? Which one is Danny? There's a dragon, I don't know a dragon named Danny. What story is that from?
Dragon Breath.
Oh, okay. What's the dragon in what's the dragon in The Hobbit?
Smog.
Smog. I think I'm done. Can I make mine breathing fire?
Yeah. I can't draw fire.
You can't draw fire?
No,
Why not?
because I'm horrible at it.
Are you as bad at drawing fire as I am?
Worse.
No, that's not possible.
Yeah. It is. It is possible. This is how I draw fire. That's how I draw
All right.
fire.
What's your dragon's name? Can we give our dragon's names?
Yeah.
What's your dragon's name? Just write your dragon's name down right there.
I don't have one.
Okay, I'm gonna write my dragon's name is Hopscotch. Beat that. You beat that dragon's name. You come up with a better name for a dragon than Hopscotch.
Okay. Firestorm.
Firestorm? How about Firescotch?
No.
So what are some general guidelines you use when picking colors for a dragon? What do you think about when you're trying to pick colors for a? You got kind of an Argyle dragon there.
I just pick random colors.
Random colors, okay.
I like this yellow.
Mommy and Rocket are making tons of noise in there, aren't they?
Yep. Icky coffee and rocket.
What do you know about dragons? Do all dragons fly?
No.
Do all dragons breathe fire?
No.
Do some dragons breathe fire?
Most dragons breathe fire.
What do dragons eat? Are they vegetarian, or are they carnivore, or omnivore, or herbivore?
Omnivore.
Omnivore. What's their favorite food, generally speaking?
I don't know.
I found the cap to the gray marker. It's right here. Are they fish eaters, or do they like prepared foods? Like, is there dragon food? Like, does Purina make a dragon food?
Nope.
Uh-oh, we gotta finish this up or we're gonna get our whole thing interrupted here.
Nash, go away!
Just finish up.
Take that baby away, please.
You're not gonna get it big.
Not that, not that, not that, not that, not that. How about this?
Are you almost done?
I'm done.
All right, write your dragon's name. Firestorm. All right. Which one is cooler? Hopscotch or Firestorm? All right, say thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.